Another great win today. Thank you for training me again, Mr. McQueen. No problem, Cruz. Hey, McQueen, I just wanted to ask. Yeah, Cruz? Why are you in that paint job? I mean, you look nothing like Doc. I mean, yeah. What do you mean I look nothing like Doc? I've got blue, I've got fabulous on the side. I mean, the only difference is my name. Well, yeah, but you're a completely different model. And, well, what do you mean, Cruz? Well, what I mean is, Doc's dead. Yeah? Well, if he's dead, then why are you in his paint job? Good question, Cruz. Just one more thing, Cruz. Yeah, Mr. McQueen? Well, if Doc's dead, he won't be able to see my paint job, won't he? No, I guess you're right. So, does this mean Mattel can make me red again now? Yeah, I guess so. God damn it, Mattel. You did as well. He should be blue. I hope you guys are starting to like my intros and outros, because I certainly am. It's seeming more interesting than the actual video itself. Anyways, guys, today we have a suggestion of Fabulous Lightning McQueen, suggested to me by the Cartoon Manist. I think that's his name, the Cartoon Manist. Sorry if I do pronounce your name wrong. People choose the weirdest of names sometimes. Not saying your name is weird, just saying anyone. But yeah, let's start off this review of Fabulous Lightning McQueen. So where he was appeared in the movie, as you saw by my little intro, he's basically blue for like 2 minutes in the movie. It's where the song Ride, what right, ZZ Ward the Ride song comes in, and then he's like coming down this hill and then meets up with Cruz, and then they have a race around Willie's Butte, etc. But he's seen in the movie, and this is his paint job from now on. But for whatever reason, Mattel seemed to still release him in red. In the drag races, in the rocket races, in the XOS mud races, even the endurance racing. Mattel, he's blue. Make him blue. I mean, yes, red suits his diecast more, but I don't understand. Anyways, let's start off this review. So here is not Rusty's Lightning McQueen. I'm saying that because it's there. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Of course, we've got this nice smile. No 95 under the headlight, which I guess it's been removed because of the paint job. And of course, the lights. Got Rusty's on the top here. Rust.ease. And the R going across the whole of the wording. Got lightning bolts on both sides here. Got the nice eye expression, which is blue. On the top we've got 95, 95, 95, and 95 times 4. With this booth flaps here. Lightning McQueen signature on both sides. Support bars. On the spoiler it reads Rusty's with this R going across the whole wording again. On the side he's got no sponsors except for Fabulous Lightning McQueen in this yellow and white backgrounding, as you can see. Exhaust pipes down there. Red Lightyear rims, so you've still got the Lightyear rims. 95 on the back, with this 9 going over the fuel cap, which is pretty cool. Pretty much the same on the other side, just no fuel cap. Here's the back. Rusty's, again. We've got the rear lights. We've got the Hornet symbol to, I guess, for Doc Hudson, which it literally says for Doc Hudson. Should say for the Fabulous Hudson Hornet, because that's what people call him. Anyway, there's 95, and here is the base. This one is made in China. This one is made in Thailand. Of course, there is 2 colour variants, as you can see. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. The Hornet is more visible. Let's see if it will focus. There we go. Focus. More visible. So yeah, I do have a third China one, but that's not interesting. Of course, this is made in Thailand, as you can see. Week 1 of M, so 2019 this was made in, or 2020, just at the start, I'm not exactly sure, because this Cruz here was L, so that was LM. Yeah, so this was 2019 or 2018. Yeah, this was 2018. 2018, guys. As for my package collection of Fabulous Lightning McQueen, I've only got one. Of course, we've got Fabulous Lightning McQueen, the diecast here. Fabulous Lightning McQueen, made by Mattel, 3+. His really cool artwork there, in the blurry desert background. Florida 500, which doesn't exactly make any sense, because he was not seen there. He was seen at the end credits with a headset which is cancelled or delayed from the fan favourite series, and of course, Cars logo there. The back, it just says it's opening race. It's the opening race of the Piston Cup. Who will win the championship? Hopefully Cruz. Of course, we've got other releases such as Carl Motorway, which I would like to have a second of. Bob Cutlass, again, I need a second of him. Steve Herschel and 95 Hat Mater. And just to make sure, made in Thailand. So yeah, that is my package collection of Fabulous Lightning McQueen, and that does pretty much end this video. Can't exactly make it super long, because what's the point? It's probably coming up to about 6 minutes now, because my intro I need to edit together. Apologies, I can't do anything about this thing, Vlogstar. It's just what I use to edit my videos, and because I have an Android phone and nothing really else, I can't exactly edit. Anyways, hope you like my review of McQueen. My next actual review will be on Chris Merwin. My next video will be on an unboxing. So make sure to like the video if you're new, dislike if you dislike for the haters, and hit that bell notification button down below. To the next one, peace.